Hey guys, so if you want to see how I created this glittery Valentine's Day look, even though I ain't got no Valentine, just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to be taking my Revolution Conceal and Define and I'm going to put that on the lid. I'm just going to pat that out with my sponge. Oh, and I've made sure to do like an arch, like a higher arch on my eyebrows this time around. Normally my eyebrows, like the arch is kind of straight, but I try to do an arch which is a little bit higher. Not like so much higher, but just a little bit. Oh, my son is in the background, by the way. So if you hear some noise, that's what it is. So then I'm gonna take my Juvias Festival palette. I'm gonna take this peach here in one way. I'm kind of just gonna go above the crease. And just blend out those edges. I just love the way that Juvia's eyeshadows blend. Kind of effortless. Then I'm gonna use this red here, is Zaffa, and I'm gonna put it where the crease is. Hello. And I'm going to take the brush that has that peach shade on it. I'm just going to go over the lines so that they blend together. So we have more of a soft gradient rather than peach red. That's a bit better. I'm going to go in with a little bit more red, but more so on the lid. And again, just using that brush with the peach on it to diffuse. Now I'm going to go with my sleek Oh So Special palette. I'm supposed to be panning this palette and I haven't been doing a very good job of it. I'm using the black shade at the bottom here. I literally have neglected this palette and recently I've been pulling it out so that I can use the black especially. So I've been doing a lot of smoky looks on my day-to-day, like for my day-to-day looks. So yeah, a little bit of black in the corner. That's nice. And obviously we're going to clean it all up. So now I'm going to use my Duo eyelash glue. I'm going to try and be really careful with this. I'm just going to pop that kind of I'm going to use this red glitter. I'm going to try and be as careful as possible and just pop. That is kind of cool.
Can I see?
Okay. So I've gone and done the other eye and I've put on my foundation, contour, concealer and my blush as well. So using what's remaining on my red brush, I'm just going to run that on my lower lash line. Same thing with the black one. I'm just going to go right to the lash line. Then using that red brush, I'm just going to blend it out a little bit. Now using my e.l.f. liner, I'm going to do my eyeliner. I'm using my mascara. Because God knows I always get eyeliner all over my lashes, so I have to do my lashes straight after I do my eyeliner. Otherwise it clumps together. Does that happen to anybody else, or is it just me? And my lower lashes. Now I'm going to use my e.l.f. Shimmering Facial Whip, which is literally just a liquid highlighter. Now using my Sleek Distorted Dreams palette, I'm going to use the pink. Oh, my son's getting happy because I'm using pink, he loves pink. I'm just going to go over, oh wow. Okay, so this here is the finished look. I absolutely adore this. I don't normally do red. I didn't want to go too far by doing a red lip, but of course if you want to do this look, go ahead and do a red lip if you feel. I also put on some lashes, even though I don't normally wear lashes, but considering it's like a Valentine's Day thing, you know, let me just put on some lashes. It won't hurt for me to do it once. I mean, come on. Anyway, so let me know what you think down below. Happy Valentine's Day to all of you, regardless of whether or not you're in a relationship or not. Just enjoy your day like I am going to be, okay? And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.